Fabio, when I was like always, I'm always doing live, so I just met them here. Although I have not that much, like genuine, really genuine friend. They are like, like how much they support me. I told them that I cannot even say, like I cannot, like words is not enough to say, just to say thanks for them. But I'll just pray that God will give them all the blessings that they deserve, because they are not even my family. They just know me here in YouTube, but how much they support me and how much they love me, I can feel it. So every time I'm on live, they used to come in my live. Anali concert. We can do that. You can join with us, Fabio. Thank you, Jan. Thank you so much, Jan. Yes, Fabio. So Jan is one of them. Kara, one of them. I have also Boo. I have, so we all guys are from different countries. Even we didn't meet personally, but from heart, they knows and they understand me. And I'm so grateful for that. Thank you so much. God bless all of you guys. Thank you. Fabio, I can, if I will do, if I will do concert, you can be the manager, lol. Yes, no. What do you mean, Imran? Yes, no. Are you letting me to, do you want me to choose yes or no? Jan, are you there, Jan? Yeah, thank you so much. Yes. See, for example, this one, Jan. Just click this. Let's say this one, this video. And you can see here. Oh, where is it? See, down this one, there is more. You can click this more. And you can see this description. You can find my, yeah, see, like this, yeah? So it has also more at the end because, it's very long. It has also more. Then you can see my email address there. Let's make some money. How to do that, Fabio? We will do concert. We can make money by having a, we have to schedule concert. Oh, hello, Hotzilla. Sorry. You're friendly. Thank you so much, Tony. Thank you. God bless all of you guys. I'm happy that you are all here now. Thank you so much. Hetzilopokli. How to pronounce this one? Hetzilopokli. Hello, welcome to my channel. Sorry, maybe I didn't pronounce it correctly, but I'm sorry for that. Welcome, John. Thank you so much. You sing, I dance. Sure, why not? We can do that, Fabio. Emran Khan, hello. Emran Khan, welcome back. Thank you so much. I am Technology Challenge. No worries, Jan, no worries. It's normal. Even in life, we keep on learning. That's the process of life. So regardless of, even at work, we should keep on learning. Mani Duray Pandi, hello, welcome. Guys, sorry for those who are writing like different, I mean, not English alphabet, if I cannot read your channel name. Sorry for that. Al Ryan Foods, hello. Al Ryan, I just remember Al Ryan. This, I've been in Qatar and there is one place there named Al Ryan. I came from Philippines, Al Ryan. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for this.